In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring Asana project details into Google Docs for easy collaboration. Let's start by opening the Asana project or the specific task you want to reference. Take a moment to scan the details you'll need in your document, like the title, description, due dates, assignees, milestones, and any key subtasks or attachments. Decide whether your Google Doc should include the full Asana link for quick access, a concise summary of the most important points, or a mix of both. Keeping the source of truth in Asana is usually best, so a link plus a few highlights often works well. Now, copy the important information or the task link from Asana. If a single task is the focus, copy its shareable link so updates always remain current in Asana. If you need context for a meeting or a brief, copy the essentials such as the objective, scope, and the top few action items. Keep it clean and avoid pulling in anything private or irrelevant so your doc stays clear and focused. Next, open your Google Docs file. If you already have a document for this initiative, open it up. If not, create a new one and give it a clear descriptive title so teammates instantly know what it covers. A consistent naming convention can save time. When you're working across multiple projects, paste the Asana link or the project details into the document. If you're pasting a link, consider turning it into a short descriptive hyperlink like View in Asana so your doc looks tidy. If you're pasting text, you can paste without formatting to match your doc style, then tidy up spacing and punctuation for readability. From there, organize the information into headings, notes, or action items. Add a top header with the project or task name, followed by a brief summary that explains the goal and current status. Create a notes section for context, decisions, and references, then list action items with owners and due dates so responsibilities are crystal clear. Use consistent headings and simple lists to make scanning easy. If you need quick structure, a small table for task, owner, and due date can help keep things aligned. Finally, share the Google Doc with your team if they need the Asana reference. Click Share, add your teammates, and choose the right level of access. Viewer or commenter to keep things controlled, or editor if they'll contribute directly. Include a short note reminding everyone that Asana remains the source of truth, and keep the Asana link visible for one-click access. That's it. Your Asana details are now clearly documented in Google Docs, ready for collaboration.